Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We divide both sides with 1 over cosine x squared on numerator and denominator. This one multiplied by this one and this one. So sine x over cosine x squared we change for tan x squared. This one they will simplify. This one we change for secant of x squared. This is about trigonometric identity. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan x. So we do first derivative for the both sides. We have secant of x squared dx. This one we change for u squared. This one we change for du. Next, we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of 2023 over 2022 tan t. Because if we put this one go in here, we have 2023 over 2022 tan t squared. 2022 we cancel 2023 with 2023. We can do about factorization. Tan t squared plus 1 we change for secant of t squared, and later that we simplify by du. We do first derivative for the both sides. So we put this one go in here. Du that is about this one. This one we change for 2023 over 2022 tan t squared. This one we simplify 2022 and we have 2023. 2023 we can do about factorization. This one we change for secant of t squared. So we simplify this one. This one simplify with 2023. So we will have about 1 over the square root of 2022 multiplied by 2023, and we have dt. The integration of this one we have t. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by this one. So we have u multiplied by the square root of 2023 over 2022 equals to tan t, and we have t equal to r tan of this one. So we put this one to change for t. Next, about u, that is about tan x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.